to amorcer, or find the weapon.
Guys, I need you to back up.
Now they've got to fermer le bassinet.
Get shot.
Schließt die Fahne.
Now they're ready to bring the weapon over to their left side.
Links schwenkt das Gewehr zur Ladung.
Now they can go ahead and insert the cartridge or
Patrone im Lauf.
Now to see it at the breech, we have to draw the ramrod, or tirer la baguette.
Ladestock.
And to ram, we will bourrer.
Ladestark im Lauf.
Once that cartridge is rammed down to the breech, then we're going to riveter la baguette en son lieu.
Ladestark in seinen Ort.
Bring the ramrod back in its place. These guys are ready to porter, seat.
Das Gewehr auf die Schulter.
And they're ready to fire. Now there's a series of commands by which to fire as well. First command is going to be to, seat.
Mit der rechten Hand an das Gewehr. Das Gewehr hoch.
Bring the weapon up in front of the body. From here, together, they will apporter, seat.
Fasset den Hahn. Spannt den Hahn.
Now to take aim, they will en jeu.
Schlag an.
Now, notice that the rear rank men are going to shoot over the shoulders of the front rank men. Every man, even though they are very well drilled and firing together, is still going to take careful aim. They're going to wait quietly and patiently for the order to
Feuer!
would snap back down so they can fire again.